Okay, so moving ahead, going for the next session, I would request our moderator, Dr. Pritesh Gogri, to please come on the dais.
And the question session right now.
Yes, sir.
You all know we are going to have the Bum Prize after the inauguration session. After this, we are having one more lecture on cancer by Dr. Ashik Ape. After that, there will be the inauguration session, and then the bumper round for today, bumper lucky draw prizes for today. Now, my question for this round, for this session is, we all know that up to 60% of human adult body is water, right? 60%, we all have 60% as water. Now the question is, what are the three main fluid compartments in the body microscopically? What are the three main fluid compartments in the body microscopically? Yes sir, anyone there?
Yeah, Dr. Kinjal.
Basic question. Yeah, ma'am. Mic there? Mic?
Mic.
After Dr. Kinjal is my channel. After Dr. Kinjal is my channel.
Sir, all of you are highly educated.
Sir, plasma, lymph and intercellular space fluid.
Sorry?
Plasma, lymph and intercellular space fluid.
Partly correct. Partly correct. Fluid compartments microscopically. Yeah, ma'am.
Intracellular, extracellular and intravascular.
Excellent. Can you hear the slide? The slide was purposely not shown because it had the answers in it. The three fluid compartments are the intravascular, interstitial and intracellular, and fluid movement occurs in between these two layers through capillaries. Right answer, madam? Can we have you here? Request Dr. Sarika. Mike.
Yes, Anna's signature.
Ma'am.
Come please.
Ma'am, you deserve the prize. But criteria for the prize.
BMB Mary Jaan and Pehchan hai Meri Mit.
BMB है मेरी जान, पहचान है इसकी मेरी में.
Okay, so our next speaker is Dr. Chandni Mehta, a consultant physiotherapist.
Yeah, we also saw how water is very useful and what is an integral part of our body. But water can also be helpful in treating some body problems. And now we have a young energetic speaker, Dr. Chandni Mehta, who is going to elaborate on aquatherapy as a treatment modality. BMB welcomes you and thanks you for facilitating Aquamax for sponsoring the beautiful delegate gift. Dr. Chandni Mehta. Can you have a intro?
Hi, I'm Dr. Chandni Mehta, a certified academic physiotherapist from past 11 years. And yes, I'm the founder of Aquamax Therapy Center. Aquamax looks forward for a holistic approach of physiotherapy, as athletic is a newer dimension of rehabilitation. And I want to speak about aquaphysiotherapy at the 7th Scientific Conference, BMB 2020. And I want to spread awareness on aquaphysiotherapy, the benefits of physiotherapy, few case studies, the conditions that is helped with the water therapy, and including the fitness protocols and much more. Thank you so much. So, very warm welcome to all the delegates present here. And as I'm Dr. Chandni Mehta, an aquatic physiotherapist practicing from past 11 years, and yes, I'm the founder of Aquamax too. So yes, we are ready for the evening. for Back to Bachpan. So I would like you, all of you, to stand for a minute and just do one of the activity, please, if you don't mind. Thank you so much. And can we do just one jumping protocol at the place, please? Like just jumping. Oh, very few. Please. Yeah? So sir is doing cycling over here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yes. So Aquamax is entirely a physiotherapy protocol with a highly specialized advanced techniques with aqua physiotherapy, and even definitely Aquamax looks forward for an holistic approach. So I get a lot of patients saying that, okay, I'm not a swimmer, I'm hydrophobic. So my objective for this presentation is going to be why aquatherapy. What's the need of aquatherapy and how beneficial is this? Yes, aquatherapy is a newer dimension to rehabilitation. Okay, what do you see in these pictures? All happy faces, right? So I'm sure that everyone must be going for a swimming pool, swim rides, waterfalls and everywhere. So what aquatherapy does? When you are in water, it actually reduces your flight, fright and stress modes, and it activates a lot of your parasympathetic nervous system. So then you feel happy, rejuvenating, and good workouts are always done in the water. Okay, introduction to aquatic therapy. So aquatherapy is a therapeutic modality that involves the patient doing an exercise in water. It uses its physical properties of water to assist the healing, exercise performance of the patients. Aquatic exercises refers to use of the various therapeutic interventions like stretching, joint mobilization, balance, gait, endurance, training and much more. Okay, why aquatic therapy? So why aquatic therapy is newer technologies, and I think it's a need of an hour now because the limitations of the land-based exercises, the patients who are not able to do, there are few limitations that we are not able to achieve on the land-based. So aquatherapy is an enhancement towards those protocols which severe activation limitation results in only passive exercises. Lactic acid accumulation can trigger early fatigues. Performing exercises is either not possible or it's too tedious. Land-based activities can be really boring because I am very sure like physiotherapy feels very boring and it's quite monotonous for especially with the neuro rehabs. Okay, the peripheral blood pooling cannot be prevented. Tightness of the soft tissues and spasticity of the muscles which actually can be taken care in aquatic therapy. Okay, so aquatic therapy goes with the teamwork. It's land-based and aquatic therapy goes hand in hand. So there are types of aquatic physiotherapy. There is water-specific therapies, Halovic for neuro rehabs, Bhadrakas ring method, clinical ITs, Vatsu, especially for the stress and anxieties, aquatic fitness therapies. Okay, the basic science behind aquatic therapy. So it gives a lot of hydrostatic pressure which increases the circulation and decreases the pain. It gives isokinetic resistance, it gives a lot of strengthening of the muscles inside water. Temperature, yes. So we have a warm temperature protocols which decreases the edema, softens the tissues, and because of the buoyancy, it offloads the weight on the joints, weight-bearing joints. Okay, aquatherapy helps for weight loss, rehabilitation, surgeries, increase range of joint motion, improve mental health, strengthen the muscles. So when it comes to strengthening of the muscles inside water, the land base can be taken much more better. Recovery from the injuries, relieves and manages the pain, improves fitness, and definitely most of us are looking for the weight loss, so it does that as well. Yes, the benefits of aquatherapy. The water against the skin causes sensory response which blocks the pain receptors and therefore inhibits the sensations of the pain from getting to the brain, increase the self-esteem. most of the activities which are not achieved on the land, and it actually being achieved in the water, so it gives a lot of psychosocial boost to the patients, and it increases in a way its self-esteem. Decrease the impact. Definitely, as you see the picture there, the more the water level, the lesser the impact on the joints. There are a few contraindications: open wounds, excessive high and low blood pressures, UTIs, infection disease, lung infections, impaired temperature and regulation, and fragile skins. So these are few highlights of Aquamax. We have heated, temperature controlled pool lifts, ramps for accessibilities, observation window, deck space, strict protocols for disinfections, qualified aquatic physiotherapist, shower areas, dry changing rooms. We have aqua treadmills. So these are pull lifts for the transfers of, especially when it comes to knee rehab, back pains, neuro cases. I think there is some issue. Services at Aquamax, yes, we do have, it's a holistic approach of land-based activities as well as aquatherapy. We do have class 4 lasers which helps in photobiomodulation effect, and a lot of chronic pains can be taken care. Aqua treadmills, kids aquatherapy, especially for the autism, cerebral palsy. Okay. Precautions taken at Aquamax. Yes, maintenance of the pool, the quality check is taken care. We have ozonated pool with entire pump house unit. Water rinsing protocols with the drinking water is taken care. Okay. Road to recovery with aqua physiotherapy. So there are strict protocols that we follow at Aquamax, which land-based assessment is equally important. Documentation of aquatic therapy programs, monitoring before taking any aqua sessions, the monitoring of the vital parameters of the patients, and smart goal settings in synergy to the land-based protocols has been taken care. So there are a few case studies that I just want to show. This is a case of SMA from day 1. And yes, post the endurance, the fatigue of the muscles is less. He is able to achieve a lot of better activities on the land. The walking gait has improved. So this is especially with the hemiplegic case, stroke rehabs. So it's a chronic case of 6 months, doing a lot of land-based activities, land physiotherapy, but not able to achieve his daily routine activities. So after being aqua physiotherapy, the walking gait has been improved to a greater extent. The confidence is boosted up to a greater levels with this patient. There are few cases of neuropathy cases which are well treated with aqua physiotherapy. And yes, what are the indications for an aqua physiotherapy? Pre and post surgeries, cardiac rehabs, neuro rehabs, sports rehab, all the health and fitness, pediatric rehabs, women's health care, lot of the other musculoskeletal conditions like muscle pain, ligament injuries, hip, knee, ankle, and much more. Yeah, this is the team Aquamax. So we have all qualified aquatic therapists with us, the senior consulting therapist, the neurotherapist, and the entire team Aquamax. Thank you. Yeah. Any questions, please?
No questions?
So I mean, I'm sure. I'm so sorry. So I mean, is everyone ready for the pool session?
Yeah, that's what I was coming to. That if there are no questions, then we need live demonstration.
Yeah.
So are you ready to have a live
I'm very much
demonstration?
ready. So I'm just asking the delegates, are they ready for the pool session?
Then tomorrow morning, we are going to have a breakfast at the pool side, which starts at 8. The conference starts at 9. So whoever wants to have a hands-on practical experience of the ECMO therapy by the esteemed Dr. Chandni Mehta, tomorrow morning 7:30, 7:15. Are we ready? Then you need to go to her stall there and register.
So please register. So I'll be there by sharp 7. See you all there.
As madam, pool size is small, so if all 133 delegates come in the pool would be difficult. So have a limited number of registrations.
Yeah, don't worry. So I mean, we will have few viewers and few in the pool, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Dr. Chandni
Thank you.
Mehta, for the fantastic elaboration of a new subject, the ECMO therapy, and good to have you in our area, that is the Borivali
Yes.
area. Thank you
Thank you
once
so much.
again. I would request the moderator, Dr. Pritesh Gogri, to felicitate Dr. Chandni Mehta. A big round of applause. And I would request our President-elect, Dr. Jignesh Mehta, to come and felicitate our moderator, Dr. Pritesh Gogri.
So just
We are... yes.
just as a closing part of the ceremony, want to thank Medini for giving me this lovely opportunity, and a special thanks to my colleague Dr. Pritesh and Dr. Rajesh for helping me out. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.